Good morning, and a very healthy morning here in Chandigarh. And here we are with Mr. Shaukat. Mr. Shaukat, assalamu alaikum. So we're going to show you the process of producing of gur here. The gur with very special flavors and with very special variants. So Shaukat Saab, could you please start how to produce the gur? This is the filtration process. On this filter, this juice is filtered, and from there it is all the straws and other things are stained out of it, and then this filtered juice is taken into that boiling pan. Chimney from which this smoke is coming out, and this complete conduit is a complete process of making of sugar. So this is a very refined sugar mill which has been created and put up on a very low cost and budget. Step of processing of gur. The juice has been brought here and the juice is being boiled. And slowly and gradually this juice will crystallize, this will become harder and dense, and after that this will become gur, which you saw on the left hand side in that pan. This is another filtration process, and look at the clean and neat juice coming out of this is sugarcane juice, all cleaned up. Now we're going to bring you the second phase of producing of gur. The juice which was squeezed from that sugarcane is brought here in this big pan. It's a big kadaha, it's a big pan where this is cooked, and the special gur that you are looking at has a mixing of carrots in it. The carrots which are cut in smaller pieces have been mixed with the gourd. And look at the beauty and the khubsurat and the smell, the aroma which is coming out of it. And this gourd with carrots is finally brought here in this pan. And here it is cut into various small spherical pieces. And look at this. Now this spherical piece is being kept for the curing for a small time, and when it becomes harder you can use it, you can eat it. I'll also try to taste this, and this looks very tasty. This is delicious, and I can bet you cannot have a better sweet dish than this. So I hope you enjoyed our video of producing of this gourd. This is a very primitive, very rudimentary type of process, but this is one of the best processes of producing sugar. Thank you. Yeah, now in this process the coconut and peanuts as well as desi ghee is being mixed up here. This desi ghee made of milk of cow or buffalo is mixed, and now it's becoming delicious, becoming more nutritious and very, very tasty. Now you might be thinking that this is a Coke's bottle, but it's not Coca-Cola. It is known as Kakku. Kakku is the very good brand name, and this is produced while in the process of making of gourd. Before it is finished, before it is completely cooked up, this is taken out. The juice which is being boiled is taken out, and this is used for the breakfast, and it's considered to be very healthy food. Let's see the final display of these gourds. The first gourd that you see here is made with carrots. And the second one is made with almonds, with coconuts and with peanuts. A lot of nuts are here. Look at these nuts, which are, this is the simple gourd without any addition of nuts and any other thing. And all of these are being sold here, and they are very, very delicious ones. Sugarcane cultivation has a very, very wide history, and a long history which has been very famous for the Brazilian sugar and the American sugar immigration of the slaves. And from here you can see this sugarcane plot. This sugarcane has been grown, and it is right beside the place where the gourd is being produced. And this sugarcane is cut from here, and then it is taken into that field which we will show you just, and then it is squeezed and the juice is taken out of it, and then the gourd is produced. So from here we start the process of producing of gourd.